So in today's video, we are at Gozney HQ, where they have got this beautiful outdoor terrace, and we have just finished this outdoor kitchen and pergola. In this video, I'm going to be talking you through the whole thing. For this project, when we arrived here, they have this terrace outside attached to their new HQ, which is incredible, by the way. It's really, really cool. So this terrace, it's like a felt membrane underneath it, and they've put metal joisting on it, and then they've used this millboard decking on top of it to create this really light space. They've got plants everywhere. They've got these cool tables and everything, which I think actually match the same color as the olive colored dome, which is really cool. But anyway, the spec for this was that they wanted an outdoor kitchen that they could showcase all of their ovens. They could have launch events here. They could have dealer training days as well. Just an outdoor space that could be used all year round for training and showcasing. We decided to go for the Cabinex kitchen. Now this is a modular kitchen that goes together. There's lots of different cabinets and options available, and different layouts as well. They have a configurator online as well that's really good actually, so you can go on there, you can design your own outdoor kitchen, you can send it through to us and we can cost it all for you and offer any other bits of advice, you know, if you need it. To talk through this kitchen from the start, over here we've got a 3-drawer unit. So this kitchen, the tops are porcelain, the inners and the cabinets and the drawer fronts are all composite. So all of the drawers are soft close. Here we've got a single fridge. Here we've got a double cabinet. So you can see how much space you've got in there. Loads of room for storage. Same again over here. Double cabinet with shelves in there. Lots of space for storage. All of the doors are soft close as well. Over here we've got another single fridge. And so here and here we've got 2 large sinks. Everything is color matched as well. This kitchen also has 3 other different colors for the door and drawer front. So this is the anthracite color, or the black color. There's also a light oak. I think there's a bark, which is like a gray color. And I think there might be a light gray color as well. And links down below as well to the Cabinex configurator. These worktops are black, but there is also a light gray one coming out as well. So lots of different options to choose from there. And again, so triple drawers there, cupboard and cupboard under the sinks. In the middle here, we've got this island. Now this island is the units themselves are about 1.8 meters wide. We've got a triple drawer here, triple drawer there, and then a cupboard in the middle. On top of it here, because of the worktops that come with the Cabinex, they are all cut to a certain size. But what they didn't want was any joins in it. So we've got a custom-made piece of Decton cut and adhered onto the top of it. So this overall now is about 2.2 meters long, I'd say, maybe 2.3 by about 1.3 meters wide. So you've got plenty of space here. You've got bar stools over there for people to sit. This is a great prep area as well. So if they're doing training or dealer days or something like that, you've got loads of space around here for people to be prepping the dough, the pizzas and everything like that. So it's worth mentioning also, something I forgot to say, is that this island we put on wheels as well. So this is going to be able to move around, you know, if they want to have more space here, then this will be able to be moved over to there, and that's going to give them, open up this whole area. So also on top of everything here, we have put this pergola. Now this is a Caribbean blinds pergola. This is really high end. The quality is just incredible. So this is about 5 meters long by 4 meters wide, which covers the whole kitchen really, really well. You know, when it is raining, it keeps the whole space in the dry. So there's lots of different options available with these pergolas as well, like different colors, automations and lights and things like that. So for this one here, we have got, so we've got lighting up here. So you can choose the amount of lights that you have on there. I can turn these on or I can turn them off. So they're on at the minute. So you hit a button and you turn them off, hit it again, and they come back on again. There are perimeter lights that you can get as well, I think, as well. So another thing that we've got are the heaters. So up here we've got 2 heaters. We've got heater number 1 and we've got heater number 2. And I can feel from here, I can really feel the heat. So over here, we have got a screen as well. So this is a deluxe screen that comes down. That's going to stop any wind and rain coming in as well, and also give you privacy. So that will go all the way down. We also have the shutters above us. I'm going to wait until we finish videoing before we open those and let all the rain in, but I will video that at the end so you can see what they look like. The idea of this kitchen is that along here, they're going to have all of their ovens set up for cooking and dealer days and things like that. They've got another one on a trolley there that they're going to bring over here. Behind here is a gas feed. So they've got a propane gas feed that comes all the way around with 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, they've got 5 gas connections there. So this, these at the back here, these things are all sliding doors. So this one here slides across like that. You can then get behind there to connect up, and actually the gas hoses can come straight through here. So that's really, really good, because where this terrace is on an angle, you've probably got about a metre of space down there, down to about half a metre of space here. So it's been great to be a part of this amazing project and to be part of the Gozney, or to be able to add something to the Gozney HQ. You can see behind me the space and how cool it is. They're going to have so much fun here, entertaining, launch events, dealer days and things like that. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this video and perhaps got some inspiration from it. If you've got any questions on anything, feel free to leave a comment below. We try and put one of these videos out at least once a week, so I'll leave a link up here to another one if you're interested in getting kitchen or you're looking for some ideas. We also have Facebook, we have Instagram, so head on over there and give us a follow. So thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.